Guys, I have 5 packages today. I didn't expect that many. I know yesterday I think I said my next video would be BGS submission, but I got 5 today, so I think we're gonna do one just to have smaller videos, of course. So let's get into it. This one here is from a trade I did with Seth. Trade I did with Seth, so don't remember what I got from him exactly. Of course, I just have my baseball trusty scissors with me. So let's see what we have. So here we go. Got this Chris Aoki. Done with the Reds, numbered. Yeah, to 4.99. It's a trade I did with them, 3.99 actually. Trade I did with them. I just don't remember what I gave up. Caden Lemons to 250. And I got this Alex Fado Chrome. I was trying to say chrome and gold at the same time. Gold to 31 out of 50. That's a chrome. What did I say? I don't know. But anyway, there it is. Boom. Okay. This one here, I have no idea. Probably from eBay. I don't know what it is though. So let's see. Nope, not from eBay. Got this Urias here to 2.99. I think I already have one, but it never hurts to get some more. Dansby Swanson cracked ice. Not numbered. Still pretty sweet. And this DJ Peters green shimmer number 2.99. Here, boom. Pin. Alright, this is from Big Seal Little Wave. Big C Little Wave. It's a trade. It was from one of my Facebook groups. I asked him about it. He's like, oh, it's my mom's. So, it's all good. It got here. I got this Lawrence Taylor Donruss. Just kidding, guys. Did another trade here. Forrest Whitley. I think it's numbered to 4.99. And another Brent Rooker. There it is. Not numbered base, but another Brent Rooker to the collection. This one here is from my man, Brian Sports Cards. If you haven't looked him up on YouTube, you should. He's a great guy. Let's see what he sent me. I have no idea what he sent me. I really don't. Holy crap, look, Kyle Wright, base autograph from Bowman's Best. And my man, John Duplantier, I don't know his name, but big thank you to Brian Sports Cards for the Bowman's Best. Yeah, thank you, Brian, that was unexpected. And this last one right here, it's a PC hit. It's a PC hit here. Let's see. Okay. I wonder who it is. I can't tell. Just kidding. It's Julio Urias. This is pretty sick though. Look. Wow. I don't know why that's there. Of course, that's on the top loader, but that's what's important right there. That button. The button is the button card. 3 of 3 from Donruss. I don't care if it's not licensed. It's a button card. Who cares? So there they are. To recap again. The button card. This is sick. This is the first for me for my PC. Julio Urias. I have a Majestic patch. I have a ball. from Tribute. If you haven't seen it, check out my other videos. But this is the first here for me. A great way to start 2018, of course. The base autos, the gold Fado, the Rooker here. This one's cool because I'm going to get the signed by Forrest Whitley. Of course, EJ Peters Green Shimmer. We got Dansby Swanson rookie. Luis Urias. Chris Aoki. And Keaton Lemons. Number to 250. So that's my mail day for today, guys. I hope you guys have a good weekend, of course, and I'll catch you guys sometime next week. I know I start work on Monday. I have to go back to teach again. But I'll catch you guys sometime in the next 2 weeks for sure. But in the meantime, keep collecting. Catch you guys later.